Welcome back to the Ride Factor. We are at Busch Gardens, Tampa, and my boy John is with me today. We are going to go ride the Iron Gwazi.
I didn't get to ride that last time.
He has yet to ride it, so we are going to go slay this beast. And I will let you have his first on-ride reaction.
Oh, that was so good.
10 out of 10.
That's a good coaster.
And of course, when you're at Busch Gardens, you go and ride other coasters too. Now, this is just a pretty sequence of, different off-ride footage that we got. I'll be sharing some of the on-ride footage via YouTube Shorts and TikTok, so go check that out. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And we went back and rode Iron Gwazi a second time and called it a day. Here's that.
So good.
Well, that's going to do it from us here today. It was great having my buddy John along for the rides.
Thanks for bringing me, buddy.
We will be back. I don't know where we're going to be next, to be honest. I have no idea. So your guess is as good as mine. And we will see you next week, wherever it is, at the next theme park, the next adventure, or the next roller coaster. Have a good night.